Do Porsche 911 wheel spacers need to be hub-centric? Installing wheel spacers on Porsche increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. For the solution to the appearance can be to replace a set of aftermarket wheels with a smaller offset, or to install spacers to move the wheels outward. BONOSS wheel spacers with a special hub-centric design for Porsche make it fit the wheel and the hub better. Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that the multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate hub-centric. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are safe to use. Aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6 material brings many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Meanwhile, the hollow design makes manual reduce the weight of the spacers. The reduced unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.